Quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic level. Although it's typically associated with the world of physics and engineering, quantum mechanics is also starting to make inroads into the field of biology. In fact, some scientists believe that quantum mechanics may hold the key to solving some of the most complex and challenging problems in biology. One of the key ways that quantum mechanics is being used in biology is through the study of quantum entanglement. Entanglement is the phenomenon where particles can become correlated in such a way that the state of one particle depends on the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. This is an extremely strange and counterintuitive phenomenon, but it has been demonstrated experimentally many times and is now widely accepted as a fundamental aspect of quantum mechanics. In biology, scientists are exploring how entanglement might play a role in processes like photosynthesis, bird migration, and even the sense of smell. For example, in photosynthesis, light energy is captured by specialized pigments called chlorophyll, which then transfer that energy to the reaction center of the photosystem. Recent studies have suggested that entanglement might play a role in this energy transfer, allowing the pigments to quickly and efficiently funnel the energy to the reaction center. Similarly, studies have shown that some species of birds may use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate during migration. This is a complex process that requires the birds to detect and interpret extremely weak magnetic fields, but scientists believe that entanglement might play a role in this process by allowing the birds to sense the magnetic field at a quantum level. Finally, recent studies have suggested that entanglement might play a role in the sense of smell. Specifically, some researchers believe that the sense of smell might rely on the ability of certain molecules to become entangled with each other, allowing the olfactory system to detect extremely small differences in the molecular structure of different scents. This process of entanglement relies on a phenomenon known as quantum tunneling. Quantum tunneling occurs when a particle is able to pass through a potential barrier even though it does not have enough energy to surmount the barrier. In the context of the sense of smell, quantum tunneling could allow certain molecules to cross the barrier of the olfactory receptor and interact with it, even though they do not have enough energy to do so classically. This ability of quantum tunneling to allow molecules to interact with the olfactory receptors in novel ways could explain why the sense of smell is so sensitive to small changes in the structure of odorant molecules. For example, even though two molecules might have very similar structures, they might differ in the way they interact with the olfactory receptor due to subtle differences in their quantum properties. While the idea of quantum mechanics playing a role in the sense of smell is still a relatively new field of research, it has already led to several important discoveries. For example, researchers have been able to design new molecules that are better able to activate certain olfactory receptors by exploiting the principles of quantum mechanics. This could have important applications in the food and fragrance industries, where the ability to create novel scents and flavors is highly valued. The idea that quantum mechanics plays a role in consciousness is a fascinating and controversial topic that has captured the attention of scientists, philosophers, and the general public alike. While there is no consensus on the matter, some theories suggest that quantum mechanics may be involved in explaining aspects of consciousness that cannot be fully accounted for by classical physics. One such theory is the orchestroir theory, which proposes that consciousness arises from quantum processes in microtubules, small structures found inside neurons. According to this theory, the collapse of quantum wave functions in microtubules gives rise to conscious experience. And the integration of these wave functions across multiple microtubules is responsible for the unity of consciousness. These are just a few examples of how quantum mechanics is starting to make inroads into the field of biology. While the applications of quantum mechanics in biology are still in their early stages, scientists are excited about the potential for quantum mechanics to shed new light on some of the most fundamental processes of life.